eyes love to show our current physical and mental state. This means that when you're exhausted, it's one of the first things that people around you will notice. Thanks to the power of caffeine though, you don't have to look too far for a natural way to depuff your peepers. So why do so many people turn to caffeine to brighten their eyes? There are several reasons, actually. First of all, caffeine brightens our skin and helps to remove those pesky dark circles. You know, the ones that like to hang out under our eyes. In addition to decreasing the appearance of those dark circles, caffeine also helps our skin reduce inflammation when it's puffed up. Caffeine actually constricts the blood vessels right underneath our skin, and by doing so we get our regular skin tone back. There are plenty of eye treatments on the market that promise to do all of this, but buyer beware. Steer clear of those with too many chemicals, and look for ones that are primarily made up of caffeine and B vitamins. Better yet, try this easy at-home remedy. All you need to do is steep 2 caffeinated tea bags in very hot water for about a minute or so. Then place both of them on a plate and put in your refrigerator to chill. Once they're nice and cold, put one on each of your closed eyelids for up to 15 minutes. Voila! Goodbye tired eyes and hello, sunshine. To really see the difference, consider taking a before and after shot of your eyes.